Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to be unboxing a Sephora favourite Christmas cracker. It's a beauty cracker. It's really cute. This is all glow recipe products inside. There's 3 Christmas crackers in total. There's a Natasha Denona one, which I was going to get, but I didn't because I have got the Sephora Favourites Christmas makeup box to unbox, and there's a palette and things in there, so I didn't get that one. But that one is £30. Then they've got a Nails Ink cracker for £18, and this Glow Recipe cracker costs £15. If you're interested in any of these crackers or any of the Sephora Favourite beauty edits, then as always you'll find links to them down below in my description, as well as all my other offers and codes to other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running. So you'll find all the details down below in my description. So yes, let's get on to showing you what's inside this one. I thought £15, that's a great price point. I'm impressed with the design. I've been unboxing ASOS beauty crackers, Next beauty crackers, more recently Cult beauty crackers, and now Sephora. And I have to say the Sephora ones are the better quality ones as far as the way they look and the way they put together and things like that. More sturdy. And we got a big label here. What's this label for? Stocking Filler Glow Recipe. It just tells you a little bit about them. Oh yeah, how to use them and things like that. Okay, so let's open it up then. We got 4 products. Starting off with a glow treatment. There's 25 mils here. This is Watermelon Glow AHA. It's a night treatment. Glow and radiance and soothing. Ooh, the lid has just gone. I've got to be really careful because it's very watery. Very liquidy, I should say. So maybe you can be able to see. Right, I'll just take a little bit out there. Just put it on my hand. So it's an overnight skin treatment. As you can tell, it's really lightweight. They say to apply as your final step in your nighttime routine and let it absorb into your skin. So we've got an AHA overnight treatment there. Then we've got a Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. It's 5 mils. There. Does it say about it here? You apply it before you apply your moisturiser, and you can use it day and night as well. So it's a hyaluronic serum. Next we got the cream, the moisturiser to go with the serum. This is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream, and there's 10 mils here. There, just wanted to sniff it. It's just got a very subtle smell. So we've got the moisturiser and the serum, and then finally, I should have shown you this first and done it in order, but we have got an AHA, BHA, Watermelon Glow Pore Tight Toner, and there's 10 mils here. So we've got a toner, serum, moisturiser, and a night treatment as well. I think for £15, that's a really nice set. If you're new to Glow Recipe or you know someone that's new to Glow Recipe, then I think this is a really nice way of introducing the brand. I think this is a really nice way of introducing the brand. They are small sizes. The overnight treatment is 25 mils. You know, it's a nice size and it's a gorgeous bottle as well. I do think for £15, the cracker is really nice. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you bought one for yourself already and you're just watching to see what I think, or you're thinking, shall I, shan't I? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.